Alright, so I'm getting ready to clean my microwave. My microwave is dirty. Let me show you my microwave. Yep, it's all dirty over here. See? Dirty. Gross. Right? Alright. So I'm going to put about a cup of water in a microwave safe bowl dish. I'm going to put half a tablespoon of baking soda inside the water, and I'm going to put it in my microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it do its magic. I will bring you back when this is all ready to be cleaned out. 2 minutes. Hold on. Let's do this. Well, where's the clear button? Alright. Let's do 3 minutes. How about that? Be right back, okay? In another video, I'll show you.